I'm immersed.
It ain't safe from here, but she doesn't run from
Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a group. Running with her friends, throwing alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living proof. How can I lose?
Hey guys, Merry Christmas everyone. I hope you're having a lovely time. And today I have some hairstyles for 4C hair, which are creative and you can take inspo from.
Miles up in the air, every time I get some Z's. Full cook press put on their neck and I can't let them breathe. Blood, sweat, and tears come with this check, it ain't nowhere near easy. Had to find it, hope I'm not too much to handle. City nigga from Atlanta, I spent my last check on ammo. This is not a regular Lambo. $100,000 kit, could've put down on another Lambo. Don't be in the mix, I built this shit forever, have to say so. This shit gon' be serious about my money, this ain't no fucking Play-Doh. Wrote it down for double homicide, I try to tell him lay low. See, don't like the drive, but he stay good, I'm on the way to Clayco. AK-47s in the spots before they made the Draco. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, they all the business.
Obviously, one of the main comments I've been seeing is you guys want a more, diverse tutorial of hairstyles, not just slicks or gelled hairstyles. So I'm here to provide that. Like, whatever my fans and my subscribers want, I will provide.
For y'all know the guys, I hope y'all beat the case and get probation. Stashed at my mama house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I smoke a blunt in the back, you done made that. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, bro taught me that way back. Kano took it off, I was always talking, pay hoes when you stay at. Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother if you want me, no problem, just say that. Never run that off, so if I owe you, I got you, I pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I feel safe at. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. Go off in this bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm not here trying to steal. I need equity to sign the deal. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling. Call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. Make the braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. 30 people don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The promise is not the period. Oh, he in love. I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz on a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know walking up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody clothes. Gloss and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the car, let her feel the sun. I'm gonna see it up by 5,000 money. Got the bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my collar, we second up guala and guala. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, look like the new BM up. Think I'm done, got clothes in my right and left. Hey, you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they block and get out of there. Ain't gonna have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the strap because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky slowly, smoothly in the prison. 150 flying, bitch, you can't low. But the game to his empty, look color, spit it, flavor to the temp. Yo, I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. Spinning rate 5,000 to a tick.
bada. Dada cover my face, calling me la bada. Biggie man, we do the yeah, bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the Cadillac, ride the whip, and the feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the Cadillac, ride the whip, and the feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, they try to take one way. Plenty so far with this. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the Cadillac, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the Cadillac, ride the whip. I know different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my court, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the Cadillac, ride the whip, I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are come, all the Bentley, the Cadillac, ride the whip, I know feet, oh no, I now.
Alex, Babs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy.
Anyways, I thought I would just add this one because this was my favorite hairstyle. Like, even though you can't create it, it's cute. But see y'all.
You say that I'm good enough, but I'm not good enough. Think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a